Okay, so this is a 2008 BMW 535 Xi, 104,000 miles. The complaint is the shop did a valve cover gasket, and when they put it back together, it was misfiring. So they put plugs in it, a coil, didn't go away, so they called me. I went there, reprogrammed the injectors, didn't do it. Further diagnosis showed the driver for the #1 fuel injector is shorted. So the zoom sucks on this camera here. So these are the drivers for the fuel injectors. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously this is, let me pan out here. This is the PCM. We took the PCM, which BMW calls the DME, out of the car. We took the back cover off. It comes off fairly easy. These tabs come off. So a new computer is $1,200. It's got to be programmed. My company actually has the ability to program BMWs. However, to save the shop some money here, we're gonna we ordered this driver. It was actually $2.46 from an electronics company. We're actually going to desolder this and solder a new one on, and see what happens. At this point, we have 0 to lose. The computer's bad anyway, and just as a precaution, we're also going to replace the #1 fuel injector, just as a precaution, and check the harness too. Make sure there's no shorts that would have knocked out this driver. But apparently this is a common problem. It is a MOSFET driver, which metal oxide something or other transistor, but it's called a MOSFET. This is actually obsoleted, but they make a superseded part for this. So we're going to try it and see what happens. I'll do another video here of desoldering this one and soldering the new one on, and then I think I'll actually do a video, good, bad, or indifferent, of the startup of the car and how it runs, and we'll go from there. But we'll give it a shot and see what happens. Thanks for watching.